Hey, welcome to Trading Basics Academy, the channel that makes Forex simple. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to start trading Forex in 2025. Here, what we'll cover in this video. Number one, what Forex actually is. Number two, the must-know beginner terms. Number three, how to pick a trusted broker. Number four, how to practice without risking a single dollar. Let's go. Step one, what is Forex? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is where currencies are bought and sold. Imagine exchanging dollars for euros at the airport, but instead of a few $100, you're dealing with trillions. Over $6 trillion moves through the market every single day, and you can trade it 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Step two, key terms to know. Before you trade, you need the basics. PIP, the smallest unit of price change. Lot, the size of your trade. Currency pair, like EUR/USD. First currency is the one you buy. The second is the one you sell. Learn these, and the Forex world will suddenly start making sense. Step three, choosing a trusted broker. Your broker is your bridge to the market. Choose one that's regulated, beginner-friendly. Personally, I recommend EXNESS. They've been around for years, are regulated, and have great support for new traders. Step four, practice without risk. Don't jump in with real money right away. Open a demo account. It's like a flight simulator for traders. You'll trade in real market conditions but with virtual money. EXNESS offers a free one so you can practice and get confident first. If you want to try EXNESS free demo account, I've dropped the link in the description of this video. Click it, sign up, and start practicing today. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because next week I'll show you the easiest way to analyze the market as a beginner.